Okay, alright, it's time to get out of bed. Time for some coffee. Oh my goodness. This has got to change. It amazes me how quickly everything can just become a mess in my room. So I'm going to rearrange my room. Now I'm going to attempt to move this to here without taking all that stuff off. I think I like this. Now I can look at my avocado tree and the birds that come and visit this window. This is where things come to die. They just sit here and literally collect dust. So, I'm gonna organize that now. I think I'm gonna put on a shirt. This is ridiculous. 30-45 minutes have gone by and now I'm just kind of like, okay, I want a break. It's still so much to organize. I need a snack. Downstairs is a whole nother ball game. I guess we'll tackle the kitchen now. I need more light. Dishes and folding clothes are my least favorite chores. Reheating coffee, because I love my coffee. The process is actually forcing me to be a little bit more productive than I normally would be. So, yay. Good job, Jessie. Good job. Good job. Oh no. The wind is picking up and blowing my shit everywhere. I love the wind though. Such a gorgeous day. Okay, let's go. Oh! This is not okay. It's getting hot here in Ramadan. That's about as much progress as I'm gonna make. I have to go to a meeting now. Hello. Hey, it's kind of a rainy, dreary day, but I love these days because it makes me just want to sit down and get my work done. I woke up with a little bit of a headache. I'm trying to get my headache to go away by drinking more water, eating some pineapple. that was gonna happen.
Yeah, it's just one of those days, you know? I know, I feel the same. Meanwhile, I have a kitty here. Niala gets so jealous.
I look like such a hipster. Coloring in this sketch that I started yesterday. My sleep schedule's getting all kinds of screwed up. Digital paintings are so much fun, but you could spend forever in the details.
I'm working on these brown lemurs right now. It's like at such the ugly stage. Look, it looks like a goblin right now.
Okay, today we're gonna get this kit started. Cut open the box. That's the first step.
Okay, these are the directions. What?
All right. Here goes my French. Cultivez vos champignons pleinement chez vous. Okay. I got this package for 12,000 Ariari in Tamatavi, and I brought it back with me. And I have been extremely intimidated to start this for some reason.
I don't even know what kind of mushrooms these are. Are they oyster mushrooms? The other YouTube videos are saying to soak this bag overnight, but these instructions here just say open the box, cut the image, and then slice open the bag, spray it, and then in 4 to 5 days I will have baby mushrooms, and after 10 days I should have my first harvest. Like an X. This is what it says to do. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit more water in there. Let's see if that works. Okay, voila. We will see. All right, it's just gonna live in that dark corner for now. Yay! Pat myself on the back. I did something for myself today. Okay. I haven't had much social interaction. I haven't been eating. Haven't been sleeping. I know I should go on a hike. That would be good for me. Get a salad.
I don't know if you can tell, but I look very tired. I think I'm gonna take one of my favorite hikes.
It's a modern day T-Rex right there. And here we have more Madagascar dinosaurs. We better get out of here before we get eaten alive. Now beans here. So we're heading from the village to some nice big waterfalls. I really like this hike because it's close to town, but I can still get away from people. I get my 10,000 steps in. It is mid to late September here. It's not too hot, it's not too cold. The air smells so sweet. There is the hydroelectric dam that gives our village and a couple other villages power, as well as the nearest city of Fianarantsoa. There it is. Sometimes I go down there and look in the rocks. There's frogs, birds like kingfisher, eels, fish. It's a fun little playground. If I had kids, I would take them here all the time. So actually, if you take a long hike and you start at the park entrance, you will come out and into the town on this trail. It's like a 5 or 6 hour hike. First time doing it, it killed me, but now I'm used to it. I love that hike. So regal. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna chill here for 10, 15 minutes. There she goes again. Okay, a little slow start today, but heading to the nearest city right now to go to the bank. It's an hour-and-a-half drive. Yes, that is the nearest bank. So we are pulling out some funds for the people who lost their homes in the fire in Radamafan last month. So that's what I'm doing with my friend. See you later. There's lots I'm just waiting for the bank to open again at 2 p.m. We have like 45 minutes. And we're done. It's nice to get that done. My God, what the hell? My friend has been in the bank for over 2 hours now. Come on, where you at, man? This is what I come home to now. It's us. I guess we're doing a haul here. I don't know if you guys really care about this stuff or not, but this is what I got in the supermarket. Vanilla scented candles for the power outages, whole grain cookies, dog treats, sardines for the cat, chocolat, dates, one little thing of yogurt, tortilla chips for my salsa, 2 boxes of granola bars, cashews, date-filled biscuit, oatmeal, plant-based milk, 2 packs of cheese, tortillas, mouthwash, coffee, cream cheese, milkshake powder. That's it. Quick trip. Last year we didn't have this supermarket, so it's nice to treat ourselves every once in a while. What is this lemur? I think I am gonna head on out. Take care of yourselves, y'all. See you later.